Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you Roblox Not Launching on Windows 10 and 11 and how to fix it. Let's dive in. Make sure Roblox is up to date first. Ensure you have the latest version of Roblox installed to prevent launch issues. Run Roblox as administrator. Right-click on the Roblox launcher and follow these steps. Select Properties. Go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box next to Run this program as an administrator. Click OK. Running Roblox as an administrator can fix permission problems that might be blocking it from launching. Clear Roblox cache and cookies. Corrupted cache or cookies can interfere with Roblox. Here's how to clear them. Close Roblox. Press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog. Type %appdata% and press Enter. Delete the Roblox folder. And then go back and launch the Roblox to fix it. Reinstall Roblox. If nothing has worked so far, try uninstalling Roblox and reinstalling it from the official website. And that's it. You should now be able to launch Roblox on Windows 10 and 11. If this video helped you out, please like, subscribe, and check out more gaming tips by clicking the thumbnail. Thanks for watching.